So it's the 9th of April, lovely light winds, but it's kind of a bit damp and wet, so we've got some light rain. Chili's with us at the field, and I'm helping Biggsy with his third flight, so I'll show you that in a second. Looking forward to Biggsy going up. So Biggsy's wing is that blue and white one on the left there with the circle logo on it. It's a Paramotor wing. So I'm just circling around and waiting for him to launch, and here he goes. So he's pulling the wing up, you can see it from the air as well, and no trouble whatsoever. Really nice launch. Leaning back, good power, and off he goes. So really pleased to see him flying. It's been great to fly around with Biggsy despite the rain. So the further east I went, I'm flying east here, the more wetter it became. So went to this rapeseed field and decided, you can't really see it on the GoPro, but the rain really started to come down here, so I immediately turned around and flew back to the airfield. And as I'm on my new wing, my Dudek Nucleon XX, I wasn't sure about how much water it would absorb, so I wanted to get back close to the field in case I needed a quick landing, in case the rain got too heavy. I mean, look at that cloud over there. There's like a wisp coming down. I mean, it kind of looks like a tornado. I know it's not, but weather doesn't look great, so staying very close to the field. So at this point, I think we all decide that we need to come in for a landing. It is getting too wet. But Chili, later on, he gets his Dudek Nucleon 4 out and gives us a demo flight. Once the rain stops again, he gets it out, so I'll show you that in a minute. Here's Chili with the Paramotor and Nucleon 4. So after a 5 to 10 minute flight, Chili comes in and shows us how to do a spot landing, which was pretty much on the spot. So despite the rain, we had a great time with some quality people, and we rounded off the day with a barbie. So yeah, good day all round.